Okay guys, so we're at our local park, and there's this thing that's called frisbee golf. We were here one time and this guy was playing and I was interested in it, and he gave us a couple frisbees. So it is a little cold out, but we're gonna do it. So if you don't know what frisbee golf is, you use these frisbees and there's little nets, which I'll show you, and you stand on these concrete pads and you throw them and you try to get them into the net, which in golf you could take as many shots as you want, but you don't want to get a lot of shots, because more shots the worse you do. So it's pretty much that, but instead of golf balls, it's frisbees.
Here we go!
Right here is one of the nets. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. That's the net. And then over there is the concrete pad. So you stand on that concrete pad and you try to throw them into the net. So you throw it wherever it lands, you throw it again at that exact same spot. And then you just keep throwing until you get it into this net. So there's just different frisbees. This one's a driver, putter, and this one is a medium range. We also have long range, driver, and yeah.
So what do you start with?
Right now we should probably do the longer range because
Makes
we're
sense.
farther
Okay.
from it, and then you go smaller and smaller.
Who's going first?
Me.
Okay, Dylan, you go first.
Which one?
There's a couple. There's the way he showed me. Put two, which you don't have to do it this way. Hold it like that on the bottom in your thumb, and you can throw it like this, or you can just throw it like a normal frisbee. Either way you want, whatever feels more comfortable. Yeah, blue one. All right. Put your other, yeah, there you go.
Where do you stand out on the concrete? Just anywhere you want?
Anywhere you want.
Okay.
You can get run up and go like this.
Ah,
Like
that's why it's so
stand.
big, because you can
Yeah.
do a nice big run up. Okay.
Good throw. Your first throw. It's all right.
Haven't done it. We have done this before, but we haven't done it in a while.
It was like 2 summers ago. So it's been a while. Mommy, your turn.
You know how good I am at throwing.
She's probably gonna throw it down there.
I'm going to try to aim for that way, and it's going to go that way.
Yeah.
Or behind you.
Here we go.
That's pretty good. First throw? Yeah. Alright. Throw it hard. Yeah. I mean, you've never. It's just like golf also. Whoever's the farthest away goes next. Good job. Dylan, you're next.
Got it.
We're not really keeping score. It's alright. We're not really keeping score because we're just playing for fun right now. I really thought she was going to throw it and it was going to go down there.
I just got out of the game.
Where's yours at?
Up there.
Mom,
More.
I did out the video. What I did.
Huh?
I did it out the video. Alright?
Go, go, go.
Good throw.
I didn't look at you.
You got to find yours, Mom. There it is. Good throw. Okay, go D. I'm gonna have to go get that. Here you go.
Mom, edit that out of the video, okay?
That was good.
Edit it out of the video.
That was like mommy throws.
Mom, edit it out of the video.
Huh? Oh, right in the thorn bush.
Mom, edit it out the video.
So I'm gonna use a putter next because it's a shorter range. Oh, that was the wrong way.
Alright.
Yeah.
I
So at this point, I can switch out that one with a putter. Okay.
Wish I had putter. So hold it like this.
That was really weird.
How do you hold it?
This?
You hold it like that? Yeah.
I think he's letting go too late because it's going that way. Let go sooner.
Let go like there. Show me how you throw it. There you go.
Do I use putter now?
Well, yeah, probably. Mommy's turn.
Okay, so pink one.
Yeah, a pink one.
Come on, baby. Going in.
Video.
Does that mean I won?
Yeah.
Woo! Winner, winner, winner.
Oh, goodness.
Do I go next?
Yeah, no, it's my turn. I'm over there. See if I can make it. Oh, no. So close.
So if I miss this, I don't know what to say.
Good job.
Bam.
Whoop, whoop.
Dylan, why are you walking with a limp?
Well, I hurt my knee
You did?
yesterday, yeah.
Were you trying to be a stunt devil?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
What happens if it goes in the water?
Then I can't get it back.
Whoa.
That guy, he said he goes in there in the summertime and like tries to find him. He said he's collected maybe over 300 of these things just from going in the water.
Well, today might be 301.
Yeah. No, come back. There you go.
Went straight that way.
Try to keep your arm straighter. The straighter your arm is, the straighter it'll go. Let's go get him. Go. There you go. Mommy, your turn. No. Oh, that's close.
Okay.
I think I'm just gonna keep this one. Oh yeah. All right, don't curve it.
That could be bad.
I'm gonna come over here.
Not bad, not bad.
That was a good throw. Go, D. Yeah. We're all pretty close. What do you think so far?
Fun?
Fun?
Yeah.
Is it a little hard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause we haven't done it in like 1 year.
Yeah, maybe longer.
Yeah.
Coming with the putters. I would grab a putter, D.
Shall we do a little barefoot frisbee golf?
Don't hit the camera. Good throw. All right, Mom, you're next. You're right over there somewhere.
Here we go.
Good job.
So close.
I'm definitely
Hit right
making
there.
it from here.
All right, hey, it's my turn. My turn, boy. All right. Comment below what it is. I made it in 3. I think it's a birdie, but I'm not sure.
But you're right here, though. So you should have. No, you're right here. Gavin was back here. What he did was you.
Getting confusing.
Yeah, Gavin cheated. Ready?
Ready when you are.
That was a good
Nice.
throw. That was a good throw.
Holy cow, that just like soar through the air. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Is this
That's a mid-range.
okay? Like this?
So put your fingers, put this one all the way there, like that.
Okay. What do I do with these fingers? Nothing?
Nothing.
Are you ready for this?
It's gonna go
Yep.
that way.
Oh. Dang, bro.
It went far.
I kind of like it.
Your turn. I see you right there.
Oh, why did you say mom? Do I embarrass you?
Sometimes. Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh gosh.
Oh man, Mom.
We can throw it the camera.
Oh dang it.
Haven't done it in a minute. So many sticks. It hurts too much.
Nothing.
My shoe came off. So, the reason I roll on all my tricks is if you just jump, it hurts your joints and ankles or whatever. But when you roll, what my teacher told me is you don't want to land like a helicopter, you want to land like a plane.
Want to land smooth?
Yeah, soft and smooth.